हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। हमारी आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है राइट अ लेटर टू योर ग्रैंड मदर अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ कोविड-19 800 वर्ड्स। तो ये लेटर आप किसी और फैमिली मेम्बर को अगर चाहें तो लिख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, लेफ्ट साइड पर आप सबसे ऊपर अपने घर का एड्रेस लिखेंगे, उसके नीचे आप अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नाम और स्टेट का नाम लिख लेंगे। देन आप नीचे लिखेंगे डेट आपको वही लिखनी है जिस डेट पे आप अपना लेटर लिख रहे हैं। उसके नीचे एक लाइन छोड़ के आप लिखेंगे डियर दादी माँ या ग्रैंड मदर। देन फिर से एक लाइन छोड़कर अपने लेटर का हम मेन पार्ट स्टार्ट कर देंगे। तो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे वी ऑल आर फाइन हियर, क्योंकि आप अपने घर पे रह रही हैं तो आपके घर पे बहुत से लोग होंगे, आपके मम्मी पापा होंगे, बहन भाई होंगे, तो इसलिए आपको सभी के बारे में लिखना है वी ऑल आर फाइन हियर एंड होप दैट यू विल बी ऑल्सो हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी विद अंकल जी एंड आंटी जी। फिर आप लिखेंगे एज यू नो द होल वर्ल्ड हैज बीन इन द ग्रिप ऑफ पैंडेमिक कॉल्ड कोविड-19 सिंस लास्ट ईयर. Everyone has different experiences with COVID-19 during this time. I also want to share my experiences with you through this letter. During the COVID-19, the lockdown was imposed by the government in our country, India, like the other countries of the world, which was a very good step of the government to stop the COVID-19 pandemic, which I appreciate. But Dadi Ma, I had realized during that time that the lockdown had a very bad effect of the economic condition of the common citizens of the country. During this time, every class of the country, whether it was upper class, middle class or lower class, the economic condition of everyone was disturbed during this time. Its effect on the economy of the entire country was clearly visible to all. It was good that after some time the lockdown was removed from the country slowly. Otherwise, I felt that if the lockdown continues, then the country's economy will go back many years and it will take a lot of time to regain the country. On the other hand, the COVID-19 pandemic also gave us a chance to clean our environment and our nature. It is also a good thing that we all had a great time with each other during the lockdown caused by the COVID pandemic. During this time, I felt a very different connection with Mummy Papa. They shared their childhood stories and I realized that they have many dreams about me. They want to see me as a successful person in future and I can also share everything with them very easily. Truly, COVID-19 brought us much closer to each other and I will never forget that memorable time in my life. We all live a busy life today. In such a busy scheduled life, we absolutely forget to take care of our health, but to avoid COVID-19 infection, all are taking health enhancing and nutritious food. COVID has also made us feel the need for a good health. All of us are engaged in enhancing our immunity today, but due to COVID-19, my studies were very much affected. COVID-19 changed the whole way of education. Due to the lockdown, we were taught through online classes. These classes were only for our safety so that we can complete our studies by staying safe at home and our future is not spoiled. That is why I found it very helpful. These classes were very convenient for all of us. I did not have any problem in my studies. All our teachers helped us a lot. Whatever we did not understand, we used to ask the teacher. All our friends used to have discussions with each other easily, but during this time I missed all my friends and school. Now I missed the fun that we used to have together in school. But through these classes we got to learn a lot of new things. It is said that real test of things happens in difficult times. Similarly, in this difficult time, all of us understood the real importance of digitalization. When the danger of infection of COVID-19 was spread all over the country, at that time all our studies, electricity bills, water bills and banking etc. were being done with ease in digital way. Even the mummy did not have to go out of home to get kitchen's goods. We also used to get all essential things at home through internet. Although long before the time of COVID pandemic, the government of India preferred to do every government work in a digital way, but at the time of COVID-19, every work was definitely done in a digital way so that people have to go out of the house at least, and the danger of corona can be reduced to a great extent. In this way, it was a nice and convenient effect I experienced during this time. In such a difficult time where many countries have given up in front of COVID, our country has not given up at all, and today India is in front of everyone with the Made in India vaccine. Really, it deserves praise. I feel proud of my country. I miss you so much, my dear grandmother. I am very much worried about you during this pandemic. You must also share your experience in this regard. Hope to see you soon. Take care of your health. Your loving granddaughter अंकिता। तो फ्रेंड्स, आप इस तरह से ये लेटर लिख सकते हैं। बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।